Here's how you will select your housing during the self-selection process. First, you'll log into your banner. From there, you will click Student in the main menu and then My Housing. On the home page of your My Housing portal, you will see your room selection start date and time. When it is your time to select, you can click the Select a Room or Suite button to enter the self-selection process. At the top of this page, it will tell you the date you need to select by, which is July 10th for incoming freshmen. You will also see your roommate group here if you matched with roommates through My College Roomie. Now you'll click Select from Room List. Then you will click the drop-down arrow to see the housing style options. The list is organized by living center styles and the number of people to a room. Pay attention to how the styles are broken up by the number of residents in each unit. For example, do you want a cluster style triple or a cluster style double? Select your style from the list and then click the Search Available Rooms button. Now you will see every bed that is still available for incoming freshmen within that housing style. This area is organized alphabetically by living center as well as numerically by floor. Please note that what is shown depends on how many roommates you matched with. For example, if you matched with 3 other people as a group of 4, you will only be shown housing options that can accommodate 4 people. The next step is clicking Select Room or Suite. Depending on what style you are looking at, you will have different bed or room options here. In this suite style example, if I had matched with 3 other roommates, their names would fall into this list. Please make sure that the roommates who want to be in a room together are paired correctly in this list and make changes as needed. Here's an example of what you would see if you selected a cluster style double from the drop-down list. There will simply be a bed A and bed B, and you and your roommate can choose what beds you want when you arrive to your unit, since they will be in the same room. The final step is clicking the Submit Room Selection button. You will see this message on the screen when you're done.